public schools in Indiana have been given an impossible task.
The impossible task of trying to reopen schools in the middle of a pandemic. A challenge WLCSC parent Heather Hensley acknowledges.
There's absolutely nothing that they can say that will keep everybody happy.
However, Hensley has concerns for her 3 kids that could be going back to the elementary school in August.
With the way things are, as they were outlined in the plan that were released yesterday, we're not very comfortable with the idea of returning to school like that.
A full e-learning option will only be provided to students who get a medical exemption for themselves or someone in their family.
We spent all summer sort of banking on that e-learning thing, and so that was really a big shock to see that we weren't going to really be offered that possibility without the medical exemption.
This plan is a first step. We have to start somewhere.
Dr. Killian emphasized that this is a living document that will most likely change.
We have implemented the protocols as suggested by the CDC, by the Indiana Department of Education, and has been reviewed by the Tippecanoe County health officials.
Students will be required to have a mask on them, but will only be required to wear it in certain situations where social distancing isn't possible. Mary Dell Forbes, representing the West Lafayette Education Association, spoke at the board meeting in favor of PPE.
I'm here to advocate for the most vulnerable in our population, and that would be your educators and your staff. Please consider N95 masks for at-risk staff who request it.
Dr. Killian is asking for people's patience, compassion, and understanding as the district moves forward.
If everyone comes together and wears their masks, practices personal hygiene, social distance as best as possible, and stays home when ill, then I think that we have a very good chance of opening school and keeping everyone well and safe.
Anna Darling, News 18.